This is a workbench that I made years ago that has served me really well. The length of it is 6 feet and the width is 2 feet, and it's 41 inches tall, which is taller than standard, but I do not like to stand like a half bend like doing dishes, just killer in the back. And with this higher surface, it's much more comfortable to work at for long periods of time. I'm 6'4" tall, and having a nice tall table works really well. Now this was built, the frame is all 2x4s, and then on the top I use 2x6s and 2x8s, and those are flat. And then on the very top of that is a 1/4 inch plywood, which hasn't been changed out in, oh gosh, 30 plus years. It's getting kind of beat up, but what I can do is just take out, I put it on with just some screws. There's one right underneath the vise there. I can just take those screws out, and then I can just turn it and or flip it over. Here where I don't work very much, it's in really nice shape. Got this plan out of some book a long time ago, and it has worked out really very well. Underneath here I have a shelf in the back that looks like it's about a foot wide, and then it goes the whole length, full of a bunch of stuff. And also the framing for the top was 2x4s on edge, and in the corners I used bolts, and I believe I glued the leg to the frame to make it even stronger. That bolt right there, I drilled a hole into the cement block, then put in a, I can't think of the name right, anchors. And they're either made out of plastic or lead. Drill a hole the correct size for that anchor, then put the anchor in, and then thread in a lag bolt. And then if I'm going really crazy on the bench, it's anchored very well to the wall. There's a bolt right there, and there's another one down at that other end. And if I grab it, push it, it doesn't move. And down here, there's a cross 2x4 that goes between the legs, and then I ran some lag bolts into that. It looks like probably about a 1/2 inch plywood on the top of the shelf, and that's just screwed down probably every 2 feet. Well, actually, yeah, there's a screw there in the middle, so it's every 3 feet. But this design has worked out very, very well for the years, and I use it all the time for different things. I just replaced this vise. Had the other one for 32 years, and I wore it out. I couldn't believe I'd ever wear out a vise, but I did. But be sure and check out my other videos. Please subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment below. Have a great day.